Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? What was that? I don't know. So how are you all doing? I am, if you anywhere of you wondering that how I am doing fine, just fine. Let's see. Uh, I don't know what to say in the intro because life is so boring right now. I know that's not the biggest deal right now because everybody is suffering through a lot of shit. Yeah, I can use the word shit. A lot of shit, and being boring is not a very big deal, but kind of it is. I don't know. So, being a student, you need to do something every time, and right now, other than filming and doing, like, I can do anything, but yet I can't go outside. So, yeah, that was the worst intro in the history. Okay, enough. So, guys, today we will be talking about few of the products that I bought from Shop. I already did a review on Hate It With Love palette. That took my breath away. That blue shade was like, if you are new to my channel, two things. I love blue. You don't have any idea. I just love blue. And second, I love purples. Purples are like my heart. Especially those deep, dark purples. that just makes me feel something that, I don't know. To dirty minds, there's nothing like that. I like purple. That's purples and blues are my favorite color. That's all. So guys, today we'll be talking about this bite-size mini palettes. These are very mini palettes. These are from SFR itself. Sorry for my chipped nails. These are from SFR itself. They do come in 3 shades. I have bought all 3 shades, and these retail for 70 rupees. I bought it from Shop itself. You can buy it from different websites or different websites, not different sites, especially like Instagram store. They are mainly for 90 or 100 rupees. Max you would get it for 100 rupees. There are some Instagram store that sell it for 150. Don't buy it. 150 is a lot for one palette. That is a lot. For my thinking, that's a lot. So guys, these are the palettes, and the first shade, yeah, this is the first shade. Let me, that sponge tip applicator you don't even need, but it is compulsory with this palette. This is the second shade, and the last shade is this. So you saw all the here to talk about that. These palettes have a lot of shimmers. They're not per se glitters, but they are shimmers. This palette has a little matte. These 2 palettes have matte, but the third palette, it doesn't contain any matte. It is shimmer or just a little bit sheen in their eyeshadow specialties. So the packaging is flimsy, as you can know. Not a very good quality packaging, but personally I don't care about packaging. If it is good enough for me not to break and can take on, like, these are very small. If you like any of the color scheme, you can buy it easily. They're not easily, but yeah, you can buy it from the Instagram store, and after that you can just travel with it so friendly, because Hate It With Love palette is just not travel friendly. It's just not, because 63 color eyeshadow palette, it's pretty, it's very pretty. It took my breath away, last video. But these palettes are, I can say, much more practical for me to travel, because right now I'm at my home. I have to go back to my college somewhere around October, November. I don't know when it will begin. So that time, traveling with that is heck lot of work, and I have a lot of palettes right now in my room, so I have to carry all that, and Hate It With Love is one of the biggest palette I have. So these were the palettes. Now I won't be swatching every color, but yeah, a few colors from every palette I can think. So guys, this palette I am swatching, look, I'm swatching this shade. four swatches. These are like, you can't say these are creamy, but these are creamy. But yeah, these have pigmentation. They are a little, you can say like, they have pigmentation, but they are a little crumbly, especially the shimmer shades or the glitter shade, you can say, they are crumbly. So second one, I am just doing the green one. Okay, this is a lot. Yeah, pigmentation is bam. You can see for 70 rupees. Can you ask for more? Mattes are not, they are pigmented, but they are not. Second, from this palette, I'm gonna swatch the yellow color. I think yellow are the hardest one to make. So let's see. Yeah, I have dipped like numerous of times. I told you, the mattes are not so, you can say they are workable, but they are not so good. Now, you know, that blue, that is just calling my name. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 in every one, and yep. Yeah, that is the worst swatch ever, but yep. You can see these are pigmented. Blue is like nice, but that gold one and that, they are really nice. Let's go to palette number 3. I dug my nail in one of the palette number 1. That's nice. So this I'm gonna do the last shade. This is like purpley. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are, look, these are crumbly. I'm not giving you finger, so still. Again, the pigmentation is real nice, but yeah, these have chunks. You can see these have chunks at the end that I'm not a big fan of that. Yeah, these have chunks. And the last shade I'm gonna do is like, okay, I'm gonna do this black shade, like kind of black. There are 4 I do. And last swatch. Yeah, worst swatch ever, but it is kind of duochrome. So guys, these were the shadows. Now let's get started to the video. This won't be a tutorial itself. I would be doing my makeup, you can see that, but I will be talking about what color I used at the end and with my final review. So yeah guys, let's get started with the eye makeup. all the 3 palettes, and I would be doing whole my face and be back after doing whole my face and just letting you know what I really think of this palette and are they really worth it. Side note, I love the shimmer in the palette.
So guys, my face is fully done. I just have to apply highlighter, you know, like I got the Urban Girl highlighter. This is like one of my favorites. It looks like white and tan, but no, it's not white basically. It's like white to gold reflected in things. Right, today I don't want a lot of highlighter. No, no. I'm not in the mood to have a lot of highlighters. Don't see. No, in 2 days you don't have the mood for this.
Yet.
I'm saying I don't have the mood and now look at this.
I don't know why. I just have the weak spot for highlight. Everybody knows that. No? If you like subtle highlighter, stay away from this bad boy. Just stay away. And if you like beaming highlighter like me, then you can just grab it. I bought it from Cuffs and Lashes a while ago, not few weeks ago. So yeah.
Oh, yeah, I want a lot of highlighter today. Let's tone it down a little. So yeah, now we will be doing our
Lower lash line. So I'm just thinking to just use the lighter color from the palette and just I would be using this color only from the palette and just smudging it out, and would be back with the final review of what I think of this palette. Finally, I won the battle with lashes. Almost. I don't know why the corners of the lashes are the hardest thing to crack. So after that I have 3 lipsticks. Basically these 2 are more or less of red color. This is kind of like orangish red. No, this is like pinkish red. Actually I ordered some other shades, but they were like they are out of stock, so it's a little different. I can use the shade today, but that would clash. But let's see. I'm gonna use very light hand. I don't think I like it. With this lip, no. So, a hack for you all. If you don't think you have the right color, right nude for your lipstick, I generally would use, I just use the whatever bronzer you have, you can use it as your lipstick. I don't have a particular nude because the other shade that I have, it's like you can see a cool tone, and I don't think that will, I think that will go. Should I try it? I think I should. Let's see. Where is my... and just outline it and do it like that. So guys, this is the final look. I think it's really nice. Like, let me zoom you out. So guys, this is the final look. I did a little bit to my hair. They're not gonna cooperate right now because that's like 4th day of not them washing. So okay, about the shadows, what should we start with? I think we should start with the positives, then I could tell you what's the negatives of this. Okay, these shadows are very cheap, like 70 rupees for one palette and like 16 eyeshadows in this palette. Yep, shade number 1. So 16 eyeshadows for 70 rupees. It's very inexpensive. But again, very inexpensive is the first pro. Second, you could say these are not readily available, but that would be a con, that this is not readily available. You cannot go to the supermarket and just find this palette lying around. So that's one con. Second, the mattes are blendable. Yeah, the mattes are quite blendable. You need to take a little more time than that of any other shadows, but yeah, it's quite blendable. Second, there are not a lot of mattes in the palette. There are a lot of shimmers, lot of like glittery shades, but there are not a lot of shimmers. Third, these palettes are like 1 and 2 have mattes, but the third doesn't have any matte. So if you wanna invest in matte, I don't think this one is palette for you, because the light color doesn't show a lot. Third, the pigmentation of darker colors are fine, but lighter colors you are not that good, like yellows and whites. They don't have a very good pigmentation. That is like third con. But again, very cheap, very affordable. You can make a look, that's fine. I did this look using the purples from the 2 palettes and the glitter from the 3rd palette. So yeah, you can make a eyeshadow, quite good eyeshadow, but how are they gonna stay? I'm not sure. I did try it did stays, but yeah, it creases. My eyes are actually hooded, so yeah, it creases. Fourth, you can say there are a lot of shimmers, and the shimmers are very pigmented. Like, they are pigmented, but it's very tricky to use. You can use your fingers, but my eye is so small, and I tried to use my finger, but that's a little bit messy, and you need to do extra work for that. And using these kinds of brushes will help, but it won't give you that much pigmentation that of your finger, because I finally used the purple shade, the glitter purple shade, yep, this one, with my finger, and that there was the pigmentation what I was looking for. So yeah, finally I can say that yes, for 70 rupees they are totally worth it. You can't go wrong with 70 rupees. But I think shade number 1 and 2 are very good for mattes, and shade number 3 is good for shimmers and glitters. So I think if you really want to get something very cheap and very to go, and you just want to use it to make an eyeshadow, or just to do something really simple, even if dramatic, but you need to blend it. The mattes are blendable, but it will take you a little time. And the most important thing, you cannot work with a dry base. Like, if you want to use these palettes, you can't just use it on like simple eyelids. I don't know why, I just think I just have hairs in my back. You cannot use it without a wet base, because on dry base it's not gonna give you pigmentation. I have used it on dry base, and it took me like 45 minutes to do eyeshadow, and everything blended into one shade. That was that tragic experience for me. So finally I will just let you know that work on a wet base. Start with a darker shade and then use the lighter shade in the crease, so that it will completely it will blend up. Don't be tensed about that I have applied a lot of color and it's not gonna blend. Use a denser brush like this. Like, this is very dense. Apart from what fluffy brush, this is a little dense fluffy brush. So use this, it's gonna blend easily. So yeah guys, that was my thought on these palettes. I would link the Instagram store where I bought this from. You can go to the link and you can easily contact them and ask them for the palette. If they would be available, they would be easily be providing you with the palette. So guys, if you like my videos, if you like what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's a little red button, press it. It's free for everyone. I hope you all like it, and I hope you all enjoyed this small but a little large, because I wanted to tell you every bit and pieces of this palette, because even if affordable, does it work? The best part. One more thing I need to, the glitters are little bit, you can say, chunky, as well as they are piecey. When you apply it with finger, there are particles of that on your hand, and that could be a little tricky to work. So I would advise you to use like a wet base even on your lower eyelid, just to make sure that the particles are not on. And do your eyes first, don't do your face, because that's gonna ruin your base. I'm totally sure. I tried it later. yesterday, and that just made my eyes. I used the darker shades and I just used to blend it on a dry space. That's gonna create a mess out there. So that's all for today. I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoyed it, and please like, share, and especially subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.